Lie through your teeth. Lie through your teeth. Lie through your teeth is an idiom that means to tell a lie knowingly and deliberately. When you are obviously telling a lie or know you are lying lying through your teeth. Let's imagine you have a delicious chocolate cake and you leave a child alone in the room with it. The child might eat some of the cake. You can ask, "Did you eat the cake?" If the child lies and says, "No, I didn't eat the cake. It wasn't me," you can say the child is lying through their teeth because you know the child is telling a lie. Here are some other examples. Sometimes in a job interview, you will lie through your teeth in order to get the job. In the job interview, they asked me if I had experience managing a team. So I lied through my teeth and told them I did. Or you might use it when someone has said they have done something that is clearly not done. The order is still not ready yet. Kira told me she was working on it yesterday. She must have been lying through her teeth. There are certain people who always seem to lie through their teeth. I think all politicians lie through their teeth when they make promises. I don't know who to vote for. Or you might use it when you are suspicious or get the feeling someone is telling a lie. I got the feeling he was lying through his teeth when he said he would pay us double for working this weekend. If you do this project for free, you'll gain lots of exposure, she said, lying through her teeth. So remember, to lie through your teeth means to tell a lie knowingly and deliberately. Now you have the confidence to use the idiom lie through your teeth. Can you think of any other ways to use it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click like if you found this video useful. For more great English learning content, vocabulary builders and videos, hit subscribe. And check out our website www.EnglishLogica.com.